Hello. In this video, we will understand what does it mean when we say a point divides a line segment externally. We know what does it mean when a point divides a line segment internally. First thing, the point lies on it, and being lying on it, it actually divides the line segment into two parts. Okay, just like here it's point C, it is dividing this line segment into two parts. Okay, so it is lying on it and dividing into two parts. External division means the point which is dividing the line segment, it lies somewhere outside. It is a bit irritating to understand how can it divide a line segment by being outside, but it is so. And what is the significance of ratio in such a case? Just understand that. Let's take the example of this. Suppose you have the line segment CB. Okay, this one only. And suppose A is dividing this line segment in the ratio 2:5. That actually means that this is 2 and this is 5. So A is dividing CB in the ratio 2:5. Okay. Sorry. 2:5. So as C comes first, so AC is 2 and AB is 5. And A divides BC in the ratio 5:2. This is the actual meaning of external division. So whenever you have been given such a question that a point divides a line segment externally, so there are two things to be note down there, that the point lies outside the line segment and is collinear with the line segment. Okay, and you can interpret the ratio in this way as I have done here. Okay, now if you have been given the coordinates of the points, these means the end points of the line segments, then you should be able to find out its coordinate by using this ratio of 2:5. Either you have to create a new formula for this as we generated for the section formula, for the internal division, or you may use the same formula. How come? You may, as this is 2:5, then you can say this is 2 and this is 5. Sorry, 3. So now this actually became 2:3, and you can say C is internally dividing AB, and by using the coordinates these two coordinates of these 2 points and this ratio, you can actually find out this. Okay, in that ways you will be able to sort it out by using the same formula, or you may generate the section formula for external division. Okay, for internal division it was mx1 plus nx2 over m plus n. No, for external division it is actually mx1 minus nx2 over m plus n. So either you can use this new formula and for satisfy yourself by deriving it, or you may use the internal division formula only by reducing this ratio of external division into this ratio. Okay, this all for this video. I hope you understood. Thank you.